Stop buying random water fixes. TapScore Advanced City Water Test is the city water default because its clear report shows what actually needs attention. Choose by water source, report clarity, coverage, and weight. For most homes on city water, buy the TapScore Advanced City Water Test. Its broad mail-in panel comes with an easier report, so you're not left decoding a dense results sheet. The catch is the process. It costs substantially more than strips, and you'll collect, ship, and wait for samples. Amazon orders also require permission to share contact details for report delivery. Skip it for private wells or a quick, inexpensive check. For extensive city water coverage when the default won't work, consider WaterCheck CityCheck Deluxe. Buy it if a large testing panel matters more than an approachable report and you're comfortable reading technical results. Its main drawback is value. It costs more than the default, return shipping is extra, and the report leans on color cues instead of detailed explanations. Skip it if you want plain language guidance or the lowest overall cost. For the widest alternative panel, choose the Safe Home Ultimate Drinking Water Test Kit. It suits buyers who want expansive screening and can investigate flagged findings without much built-in explanation. But don't confuse a bigger panel with better value. It costs more than TapScore, while some added targets are uncommon or closely related. The color-coded report scans quickly but offers limited interpretation. Skip it when clear guidance matters more than extra coverage. For a private well, buy the TapScore Advanced Well Water Test. It covers more than 100 measurements, including nitrates, nitrites, coliform bacteria, and arsenic, while keeping the reporting easier to navigate. The trade-off is higher cost than the city version, plus careful collection, mailing, and waiting. Skip it for treated municipal water. Also check local programs first, because they may offer free or subsidized testing tailored to known conditions nearby. Quick split. Most city homes, TapScore City. Want a larger technical panel, CityCheck Deluxe. Want maximum alternative coverage, Safe Home Ultimate. Private well, TapScore Well. Before buying, confirm your water source, sampling instructions, return shipping costs, report delivery requirements, and whether a local testing program already fits your needs. Start with TapScore City if you're on municipal water. Switch to CityCheck for technical breadth, Safe Home for wider screening, or TapScore Well for a private supply. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.